In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can rotate or flip a video on CapCut. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do, let me show you first how you can do that on your phone, okay? I'm going to be showing you how you can do that on your phone and how you can do that on CapCut. This is very quick and easy, guys. You want to just open your where you can see the photos, videos. Click on the video that you want to rotate or flip, and then click edit in the top right. And then you want to click this at the very bottom right. Click this I don't know how to name it. Click on it and then click this one in the top left, and you will be able to rotate it. If you want to flip it, click in the top left, and then you can flip it, and then click done at the very bottom, and that's exactly how you can flip it. Now on CapCut, it's very quick and easy. You want to just open your CapCut, and after that you want to select the video that you want to flip or rotate. For example, this video. Just give it a few seconds. It's loading, as you can see. Now after that you want to click here, and then you want to, at the very bottom, you want to swipe to the right and click on edit. After you click on edit, you will see here the mirror. It means flip, as you can see. If you want to rotate it, click at the very bottom, rotate. And when you are finished, click this upload in the top right. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.